Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a reveal. I did order the Kylie Cosmetics full Stormy Collection and it just came in the mail today. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box, and I haven't opened it yet. Kylie, and not as pretty as Jeffrey's tissue paper, but okay, it's falling all over the floor. So I open it up, and this is what I find inside. And my kid is calling me. Pause 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. Let's see how many more times he's gonna call for me. So anyways, I'm gonna open it up. The first thing here on top is a little postcard that reads, "Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO, Kylie Jenner." So, all right. Next is my receipt. So I did buy the full bundle, and there was a little bit of a deal, and I wanted to say that it was like $108 for the whole thing, but of course I do Afterpay, as most intellectuals would do. And then underneath that is going to be all of the little bundles and kits in here. So the first off, I'm going to pull this up. This is the Kylie Jenner Mini High Gloss Collection. The shades are Stormaloo, Deepest Love, Little Sunshine, Sweet Dream, My Little Aquarius, and Baby Love. And this is how it looks right here. The packaging is really nice. It has like that sandpapery feel on the glitter here with the butterflies, and even like these little lines here are like little rhinestone deals. And it looks like on all of the individual items, she wrote like a to and from here, I guess if you wanted to go ahead and gift it to somebody. So I'm not going to swatch everything right now. Oh, super cute. So when you open it up, it has the little like metallic butterflies, really cute packaging. And that's how it looks on the inside. So 6 colors. I'm just going to dump them all out. I'll hold them up. So this is them right here, and they're little mini glosses. You can tell they're really tiny, which really isn't that bad because I don't think I've ever used the entire contents of a lipstick. So that's what they look like. So this one here is Stormaloo, and it's like a pinkish purple, and it has some glitter. It's really like iridescent and really pretty. And then here, this like peachish blushy color is Baby Love. And so these are all 0.05 ounces, each one of these little glosses. This one is just like a soft pink. It looks kind of purple in the color there. And this is My Little Aquarius. This one here is another pink, except instead of like a purple undertone, this sort of has more of like a peachy kind of undertone. And this one is Sweet Dream. This one here has even more of like a peachy, I would just say this color is just peach, and it does have some sparkle in there that you can see, some like gold little sparkles. And this is Little Sunshine. And then this one here is like a very like a watermelon kind of red. It's like red with like a very hint of like a pinky kind of tone. This is Deepest Love. So I'm going to go ahead. This is definitely the most vibrant color out of all of them. And I'm going to go ahead. I have nothing on my lips right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It has like a vanilla kind of scent to it. Go ahead and swap this on. So definitely a color difference from my bottom to my top. Very cute. Not sticky or anything. Really nice. And the smell is like really good. It has like that, like I said, like that vanilla, very like sweet, not overpowering smell. I definitely love that. Super cute. So those are the glosses. Next, I know she has 3 of the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. and they are minis. Here they are here. This first one here that I'll open, and again, they all have the to and from in case you want to gift it. This one, I'll open up. This color is Stormy. So, here they are. So the, this one here, the matte lip, 0.03 ounces, and then the liner 0.02 ounces, which again, I really don't think that's bad to have like these minis, because I mean, when you have like 10,000 things, like you're surely not going to run out of this like within, you know, the next, anytime soon. So this one's like a nude peach color. I'm going to go ahead and swipe it there. It's very pretty. And again, this color is Stormy. And I'll go ahead and get the lip liner. And again, it's like that vanilla kind of smell to it. And I'll go ahead and just do one line with that liner. And it's like dead on, like the same color. So it matches very well. So that's that one. The next kit is called Head in the Clouds. And so we'll open up this one, and the packaging is like really cute for these. Oh, so this one is like a mauvey, pinkish purple kind of color. So we'll go ahead and swatch this one. They all just smell like I just want to eat them. I want a cupcake or something. So I'll go ahead and swatch this one right above it. Really pretty. Super cute. Then we'll go ahead and swatch the lip right above it. Again, like a perfect match. Because sometimes I've had like lip kits, and like the lip liner would be like way darker than the lipstick, and it's like a very like 90s like Pamela Anderson, I feel like, with like the dark liner and like the light colored lipstick. And then this last kit is Give Me Butterflies. And this color is very similar to the last one, except the last one had more of like a purplish pink. This one again is more of like a, I don't know, let me see here. Like a, let me swatch it. Yeah, this one has more of like a orange undertone rather than like a purple one. Very pretty as well. And then the liner. And it's just like butter, it just glides on. So that's how they all are. Super cute. And then in this kit, we also have the pressed blush powder, and the shade is Flutter in Love. So go ahead and open this up. I have never, ever in my life used any Kylie Cosmetics product other than the lip kits. It doesn't smell, but that's okay. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead. This is a blush. I don't usually wear blush, but if it's super cute, then I'll go ahead and give it a go. Ooh! If I don't drop you guys, so sorry. I'm just looking. I do have a blush brush somewhere, but we'll go ahead and improvise with this contour brush. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that on. Okay. And just sort of see if we can see anything. Oh, there's definitely some shade there. I don't have any blush on. Like I said, I don't really wear it, but I do have highlight on. But you can definitely see it's pinked up my skin. It is super cute. I'll definitely do a tutorial later doing a whole look with these products. And I have a actual little like LED mirror to like hook up on my phone so that I have like better lighting than this horrific lighting that I have. But anyway, that's what it is. I'll just touch it with my finger. You can see it's very soft, very pretty. It's gonna go blush crazy there, but it's very creamy, it's very light. It doesn't feel very cakey or anything. So that is that. And the last product that I have here is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. And I don't think this really has a name other than it's the STORMI Collection. So the shades here. All right, yeah, STORMI. Then she did have a protectant on it. I like that. Oh, these also don't have a smell. These are the shades here. You can read the names. We have, starting up here, 443, and then in the middle, Butterfly Babe, Perfect Storm, and the next one down here, we have Love Without Limits, Stormy Weather, Angel on Earth, and then this bottom one is Forever Thing, Baby Girl, and Stormy World. Very cute. I'll go ahead and swatch some of these. We'll start with 443. They are so soft. So that's 443. It's very light gold, just some glitter. We have Butterfly Babe right in the middle. Put that right next to it. Same thing, just on a pink hue. There we go. Right there, perfect. And then we have Perfect Storm. It's like this brown, like mocha kind of color. They're very light. They're very light, kind of sheer. And then we have Angel on Earth. It's like a coral kind of color. Very like orange, like tangerine. Okay. And then Stormy Weather. This is like a gold color. I'm going to put that over here. Very sheer again. See that right there on the end. And we have Love Without Limits. I'm just like going up my thumb here. This is like the first really like vibrant, like damn kind of color. All right, that's like a purple, like a reddish purple. And then Stormy World. Okay, right next to that gold. Very sheer. Like, I'm hoping you guys can see this stuff with my camera. I'm like trying to do multiple little layers right there on the end. It's like a pink, purple, a very sheer like purple color. Two more colors here. We got Baby Girl. I'm gonna start going here on my thumb. I'm noticing like while I'm touching them with my finger, like the powder is like getting like all over. Like definitely some, but I am like fucking with it. So like there's that purple there, very sheer. And then the last color is Forever Thing. I'm gonna put that right above that purple, next to the other brown. This is just sort of more of like a chocolate brown, but darker. All right. So that's all the colors that are in the palette. And that is it. That is my STORMI Collection box. I am really happy with it, especially the lip products. I mean, that's really what I was wanting. The colors are really pretty. If I want to do like glittery and shimmery and I don't want it to like bam, like fucking crazy, I can go ahead and turn to this palette. It is really pretty. There's the whole color palette right there. All 9 colors. And they're super cute. It's perfect for Valentine's. It's right around the corner. And I love this. So maybe I'll be turning to KylieCosmetics now for my makeup. Oh yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and I hope you guys have a good day.